Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite Bible verses with you. I recently purchased a book. This is actually in my kitchen. I recently purchased a book called The Safest Place. I will link all her information in the description box below if you would like to purchase the book. So let's get into today's DIY that was inspired by this book. So let's get into the items that we'll be using today. I picked up this picture. It's actually a photo box that I picked up at Micheals. You could choose any style or sizes. They have a variety, but I like this one because of the 4 windows that you could use for individual stuff. And I'll be using D for her name. I'm not sure which one I'll be using. This one, if I'll use a bling sheet or the bling wrap. I'm also going to use some Mod Podge, and I'm using pink and purple paint. I also have some gems that I'll be picking from, and I'm going to attempt to paint it with pink. And I'm going to use purple as well. To incorporate the colors. That's how I came up with the pink and purple, and I'm going to leave the information for this book. It's a really good book, just in case you would like to purchase it. You could find it on Amazon. I also link her website so you could find it there. This is the final result of the DIY. Thank you all for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to check the description box below for the information regarding this book where you could purchase your own copy. And thank you so much to Paulette for introducing me to Debra, and thank you, Miss Debra, for this lovely book. I enjoyed the whole thing, and I hope that you enjoy your prayer box. Have a safe and blessed day, everyone. Keep smiling, and don't forget, spread love. Bye.